Welcome everybody. Desert Haven presents Heat Exhaustion.
Meet Jonathan, or JJ as his friends call him. He is working hard cleaning a local apartment complex, perhaps too hard with a jacket on in the warm midday heat. To avoid heat illness, wear the appropriate clothing for the weather. On a nice sunny day, it may be too warm to wear a dark colored jacket. Heavy sweating is one of the first indicators that we may be overexerting ourselves, and JJ appears to be sweating quite a bit. Fatigue is another indicator of overexertion. Oh no, JJ doesn't look so well. He looks like he might pass out. If you see someone who might be experiencing heat exhaustion, check on them and place any tools they may have off to the side. They may have a hard time getting up on their own, so you may have to help them. Now that you're up, JJ, let's remove that dark, heavy jacket. If possible, carefully guide the person over to a shaded area. Once they are sitting down in the shade, give them some cool water. Have them drink it slowly, taking small sips. Good job, JJ. Just to recap, a few causes that could lead to heat exhaustion include wearing dark-colored or heavy clothing in the heat, working too fast or too hard, not being properly hydrated, certain medications that lead to sun sensitivity, and working outdoors with a sunburn. In the event you or someone you are with is experiencing heat exhaustion, remove any hats, jackets, shoes, and socks to release body heat. Find shade to sit in. Take slow, small sips of cool water. Rest. And seek medical help if necessary.
We want to give a big booyah to our Longhorn apartment cleaning teams. You all rock! If you like what you saw, hit subscribe. If you really like what you saw, click here for more videos.